Trade was on Sidus Live. I discussed this in my pre-market video, and Sidus opened gap down, and it tried to retain the yesterday's congestion area, which is marked here. So you can see this is a resistance area as soon as it opened gap down, and it tried to go there again but was rejected. I wanted to be extra sure, so I waited for a bearish candle which came right here on this candle. Then I entered short. It stopped at just above the wick of this candle, 991, and covered some at the low of the day around 977, and then the rest at 964. So that was the first trade. Arvind opening itself, it gave a beautiful breakout, although none of these prices were seen on the screen. I saw the first price at 309, and that's where I entered, but I had to keep a stop loss below the yesterday's IV candles, 2 IV candles, and because that was the only logical place I had, so it was quite a far distance. But then the stock didn't turn back and it immediately went up, so I had the opportunity to move the stock to my cost as soon as possible. So, and within 45 minutes this trade was done. So it pierced the resistance. Normally when it pierces resistance with a bullish candle like that, the chances that it will revert. So I had the stop loss just below the close of this candle at 322. So it was a pretty good trade, but one had to be fast if one had to get some profits out of it. So that was another trade. Last stock I traded was Excite. So this stock came from my live scanner, candlestick scanner. You might have seen it in the live sessions that I've done. So this gave a negative breakdown signal, but you can see right away this is a fake candle. If you don't know what is a fake candle, please contact me to know or read my book. And that was immediately invalidated by this candle. So since it was such a big candle, I couldn't go long here because the risk reward was too much. So I waited, and as I expected, it went into consolidation mode, went sideways, and I bought the breakout here above this red candle high, and the condition low was my stop loss, and I booked off at the yesterday's high, which is 397.9. So this was the most beautiful trade because it was came at a time when the entire market was sinking. So a special trade. So those were the stock trades for the day.